everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful Bottega Veneta to show you today. So this is a Bottega Veneta Intrecciato Hobo. It's got that gorgeous soft Intrecciato leather. It's in a really nice kind of purple aubergine colour. It's just gorgeous. So we've got one nice thick shoulder strap, super comfortable. This leather feels so lovely, so wearing that on your shoulder is just going to feel really gorgeous. The main bag has kind of a magnetic fasten, so you can see that magnet just there, and then we've got a suede lining inside, and we've just got one zipped pocket on this interior, so you can see just here. So that is that zipped pocket just there, and then we have a purple fabric lining inside there. So the condition of this one, we have called the exterior good. It's in a really nice condition. There is minimal marking to show you, but this soft leather has got a little bit of wear to it. So you can see on those corners, it's starting to show some wear, which is usually where it starts first to show those signs of use. And then again, a little bit on those handles. A little bit of wear to the leather on those handles, but other than that, it's in a really nice condition. That colour is beautiful, and again, this leather just feels really gorgeous. You can see how perfect that soft Intrecciato leather is for this kind of bag, because it just slouches and sits perfectly like that. So that's the condition of the exterior. We've called that good. The interior we've called very good. There's pretty much no marking for me to show you. There is just one little mark on the leather on the interior. You can see just here above that zip closure. So that is why we've called that interior very good, because other than that, it's gorgeous inside there. The hardware we've called good. This is literally the only hardware, and it's mostly hidden. So you can see it's got that kind of bronzed, agey look to it anyway, but we've called it excellent. There's no wear to that. Very minimal hardware, but the hardware that there is in a really nice condition. So it comes with just a generic dust bag. You can keep it protected in storage, and the exact measurements for it are going to be on our website. So if you are interested in that, go to the link in the description below. It's a link to shop this exact Bottega Veneta on our website, so click that link if you're interested. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but we'd have a request list. We do have a request list. So if you're looking out for one of these, get in contact with us. You can send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you've been looking for one of these, and we'll get you on our request list. And then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on our website. Click that link in the description. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and again, you can just pop it really nice and comfortably on your shoulder with that Intrecciato leather, because it just kind of molds to the side. That was the size on me. If you are interested in this bag, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. So if you scroll to the bottom of any page, you can pop your email in a little box, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so get on that page, have a read through there, like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're a bag lover, we have loads of gorgeous little bits to show you, so hit that alert button and we'll be back very soon with some more.